Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create AI music using Suno AI. I'm basically going to just show you how you can create an account here. Super simple to do. There's a sign up tab here. You're going to select that. You can sign up using your phone number, your Apple ID, Discord, Facebook, Gmail, and I guess Microsoft Mail. I'm not sure. I'm just going to use Gmail for this one. So I use Discord, but you can use email as well. It just took me so long to load for some reason, so you just have to be patient. Click it, log in. Don't click it a lot of times like I did, and you'll be logged on to Suno, and you can start creating your music using AI. But that is it for this video. That is how you can create an account on Suno.com, Suno AI. Hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.